Peace on guys. Peace on guys. Peace on guys. Peace on guys. Ay, nakahulog. Guys. Guys. Hey guys, good afternoon guys. Ngayon guys, samahan nyo ulit ako guys magpipising ngayong hapon. Ang oras ngayon guys is alas 5 ng hapon. At maliwanag pa rin, may kasama tayo mamaya. So ang setup natin ngayon guys, gagamitin is meron tayong gagamitin ng lure. At gagamit rin tayo ng handline at saka fish. So ano si Camilo eh, kasama ko ngayon si Camilo. Use this one. Ha?
It's the old one.
Use this one, oh.
Okay. Little windy, no? Little windy.
No, that's okay. But don't. Anyway, it's floating anyway. I'm gonna use the crab. Where's the crab? Where's the crab? Where's the... I feel sorry for the crab. You think that is a hagfish? But I think it's not the one for hagfish though. Ito yung panin guys. Ano, sa handline, ano yung crab ba? Sana guys magano ng hagfish ilagyan natin dito. Guys, nakahuli ako ng ano guys, kakaibang isda guys. Yan guys, oh. Anong isda to guys? Ang laki. Yes. Ang laki guys, oh. Guys. This what is this this one is big. Huh? Puffer fish. Guys. Laki guys, oh.
Wrong.
Huh? I have to put it back. Oh my god. Big meat, no? I gotta put it back to the water. My goodness, ang laki guys. Balik natin. Nakakain yun guys sa amin. Nakakain kugutungan at ano ba tawag doon? Hindi ko ano yung pangalan mo. Pero laki. Nakatakot. Peace on guys. Peace on guys oh. Bream guys. Sea bream. Sea bream. Guys oh. So pero ito tingnan ko ito kalaki guys oh. Sea bream. Bermuda sea bream. Bermuda sea bream guys. Hindi na. Pwede na yan. Peace on guys. Peace on guys. Yan guys oh. Squarer guys oh. Squarer nilunok. Okay so squarer. Use this one though. Dalawa na guys. May kumagat guys, may kumagat, may humilip guys. May humila. Mayroon na guys. Mayroong huli. Isa. Small snapper. Look at this guys. Look at this. There we go. Land snapper. Ibabag natin to guys kasi maliit. Ayan. Land. I need a big one. Look at this dog. Look at double rainbow over there. Look, you're gonna get the rain down for sure. Yeah. Can you prepare, put inside this one? We're gonna get the rain. Huh? Before? Guys, may mila guys. Malaki-laki to guys. It's a little bit bigger dong. I don't madilim pa guys pero it's not snapper dong. It's a big bream. Nagdadagan yung bream natin guys oh. Yan guys, aray ko. I thought it was snapper, but anyway it's okay. Still fish. Yan guys, huli pa sa pang brim. Madilim na guys. Nakalima na tayo guys. Kumakain na naman siya guys. Oh. Ay wala. Ito. Ay, kumakain nga guys. Ayan guys. Oh. Malaki-laki. Brim din siguro to. Ganun sila kung humila eh. Brim din to guys. Brim. Brim. Brim din to guys. Ayan oh. Ganun kung humila eh. So the same brim. Brim din siya guys. So naka-anim na tayo. Guys, nakahuli sa ng isang bakuko guys oh. Isang bakuko. Madilim. Ayan oh. Madilim guys. Mas maliwanag sa kabila. Yan guys oh. Bakuko. Aray. Yan. Nakahuli sa isang bakuko guys. Malaki-laki na rin. So guys, ito lang yung huli namin na Camilo ngayong gabi guys. Ito hand fishing kami at saka at saka rod. So may itong small malit na rod din namin ngayong gabi. So ang huli namin guys isang tatlong pirasong si Bermuda brim, isang bakuko, yung ewan ko kung anong tawag ditong isda, pero parang siyang parang sa tilapia. Ayan, iba yung kanyang mayroon siyang dito yung spot. Ito naman yung spot nila dito. Yan yung brim. Kasi isang yellow grand, dalawang squarer. Ayan. So bali itong piraso ko nito ngayong gabi guys. Ginabi na kami so ngayong gabi. So guys, maraming salamat ulit sa inyo pagsama sa akin sa amin sa aming fishing adventure ngayong gabi. Susunod ng gabi so kami uwi na rin ni Camilo. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong lahat, sa inyong lahat guys. See you for my next video guys. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Fishing with the rainbow. But nobody ate only small fish.